Welcome, Dr. Ajay Kumar Ramani. It's a pleasure to have you. You being a professional gynecologist and obstetrician, and I understand that you have done more than 10,000 cases with the pregnant women. So my question to you is, what made you as a professional gynecologist to believe in the spirulina as a food supplement to be given to your patients?
First of all, we were knowing about spirulina in 2002 or 3, but we have not taken keen interest. But by just taking spirulina and taking clinical results from 2008, I studied from the net that spirulina is a very high biological value protein and also other necessary elements which are quite essential for the pregnant woman, and so we should give the very much essential nutrition to the pregnant lady and for the development of the fetus. So I took interest.
I understand that you have done a lot of research and I did see your slide with almost over 50 pregnant women. So how do you see spirulina and pregnant women? What benefit the pregnant women will get if they are using it regularly?
Okay, as far as the study and the results are concerned, there was one incidence to spark me to take the results. But as far as concerned, when I am prescribing spirulina, while I am giving spirulina to the pregnant woman, I got lots of hemopoietic effect because of its high biological value, all necessary elements and ions, minerals, and these are all in colloidal form, so easily absorbed without any side effect from spirulina. So this is very helpful for the pregnant lady, that is spirulina. And I got the result by increasing the hemoglobin level in my study, that I can save the bottles of blood by giving spirulina.
Excellent. What do you recommend? How many grams of spirulina should be taken by a pregnant woman?
As far as concerned, because of its high biological value, 1 gram of spirulina gives the nutritional value of 1 kilogram of assorted vegetables. As in balanced diet, we take at least 750 to 1 kilogram of green leafy vegetables and fruits. So it is necessary for us to take spirulina 1 to 3 grams as per the requirement and needs in our daily diet for the pregnant lady.
And if the women are having low iron, so do you recommend more than 3 grams also?
Yes, 1 to 3 grams, that is the necessary.
That is it.
Or more than up to 4 grams, yes.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much, Dr. Ramani.